Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video and show you how quickly and easily you can obtain LTL and parcel rates through your ShipCanada dashboard. After you receive your login credentials from ShipCanada, you can log in and you'll immediately see your account details at the top of the module. On the right hand side, you'll see your shipper reward points that can be redeemed throughout the ShipCanada catalog, and you collect points every time you ship with ShipCanada. Throughout the module, you'll also see different graphs showing your cost breakdowns over the last 30 days, your number of shipments within the last 30 days, any recent invoices you may have had, and at the bottom, of course, you'll see a more granular view of your shipping details, including any associated paperwork like bills of lading and a tracking button where you can get instant tracking information. At the top left-hand side of the screen, since I want to get a quote, I'm going to come to the menu and I'm going to select Quote. Once I come into the quote path module, it's going to give me 6 available options depending on the type of shipping requirement that I have. The 2 modules or quoting paths in the center provide instant rates, and in this case I'm just shipping 1 pallet to Illinois, so I'm going to select LTL Freight. Once I get into the data capture screen for LTL Freight, all I really need in the Ship From and Ship To sections are valid postal codes. In this case, this pallet's leaving from Toronto, and it's going to Alden, Illinois. When I put the postal codes in, it'll already populate with all of the city and state or province information. Since this is an LTL shipment, I'm going to make sure the LTL Radio button is selected, and it's only 1 pallet, so I'm going to make sure that the 1 pallet is selected. This pallet is 48 by 40 by 48 inches. 800 pounds, and based on that information it's going to create a density-based freight class, and under description you can put anything. I'm just going to put in freight. The only additional service that I need on this shipment is a delivery tailgate in Illinois, so I'll select that and then I'll hit Get Rates. Once the rates are displayed at the bottom, I can assess them based on transit days, surcharges, and of course the most important, total charge here. In some cases, you'll see rates that don't show other surcharges or transit days. And when you see that information there, that just means that that travels on our standard LTL service, and they're not guaranteeing any specific transit time for it. In this case, this is our cheapest option at $288.04, so I'm going to select this. It's also important to remember that any shipment crossing the border will be displayed in USD rates, and any shipment traveling across Canada will be displayed in domestic Canadian rates. From here, I can move to the booking module.